So all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions from chapter number 1, real numbers. Only one session is there. I will cover all the topics. So let us start with the first question. The rational form of 0.254, 54 में बार लगा हुआ है, that means this is repeated one, is in the form of p by q, then p plus q is what? Right. So first of all, we have to convert it into p by q. So let x is equals to 0.254 with bar. 54 bar means we can write 54, 54, 54 like that. So we will repeat 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, then dot dot dot. Okay. And now multiply with 100. Or you can multiply with 1000 also. So if you multiply with 100, this decimal point will move towards here. Okay, so we will get 100x is equals to 25.4545, so on. Right, now subtracting 1 and 2, right? Subtracting 1 from 2, we will get 100x minus x, we will get 99, and 25.4545 so on, minus this, we are going to get 25.2. Okay? So now x will be equals to 25.2 by 99. So we can write 252 upon 990. Now we have to write in simplest form. So simplest form के लिए पहले 9 से divide कर लो. Okay, 1, 1, 0, and ये cancel हो रहा है हम लोग का first 2 से. Okay, 28. Right. Again we can cancel it by 2. So what is the final answer?
17 by 55.
14 by 55, right. So that means what is the value of P? 14, right. And what is the value of Q?
55.
55, right. So P plus Q will be equals to what?
69.
14 plus 55, that is 69, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Right, option C. Oh, this is option C, right? Okay. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Next question. If A is equals to 2 to the power 3 into 3 and B is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 and C is equals to 3 to the power n into 5, LCM of this ABC is given 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. So we know that LCM is equals to the product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the prime factorization of all these 3 numbers. Okay, so the power of 2 is highest 3 from here, and the power of 5 is 1, highest power 1 hai. Now the highest power of 3 should be 2, but what is the power of 3 here? 1, here also 1. तो ये कितना होना चाहिए इधर इसका पावर? 2 होना चाहिए, right? So the highest power of 3 in A and B is 1 only. So the power of 3 must be 2 in C. That is, therefore n is equals to 2, not 3. 1 minute. N is equals to 2. So therefore, which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right? Okay, so ये B है. Okay. Right. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 3. The least number which is a perfect square and is divisible by each of 16, 20 and 24 each. 24 is, see, one number is divisible by many numbers. So what we have to find? HCF or LCM?
LCM.
LCM, very good. So what we will do, we will do the prime factorization of 16. 16 का है 2 to the power 4 and 20 is 4 into 5. So 2 to the power 2 into 5 and 24 is 8 into 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 3. Right. Now we know that LCM is the product of greatest power of all the prime factors involved. So LCM is 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5. That is 16 into 5 into 3. 80 into 3, 4, 240. So LCM we got. So that means the least multiple of 240, that is a perfect square, is 3600. इसको हम लोग एलिमिनेशन मेथड से भी कर सकते हैं. देखो एलिमिनेशन मेथड से कैसे करेंगे, ये दोनों एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. ओनली टू नंबर्स आर देयर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. एंड 1600 is not divisible by 24, so we can eliminate these also, right? We can easily eliminate choices A and C as they are not perfect numbers, perfect square numbers. And 1600 can be eliminated as it is not divisible by 24. So the correct answer is D. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can do in two ways. So this is the second method, right? Now we are moving toward question number 4. The value of x and y in the given figure are. The given number is 1001. Now 1001 we can write 143 into 7. ठीक है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो यूनिट प्लेस में 3 है और 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करने से यूनिट प्लेस में 1 आएगा? 7, right? So वैसे हम लोग चेक करेंगे. So we'll get 7 here, right? And next 143, 11 into 13, right? So we'll complete the tree first. Then we will write the value of x and y. The value of x is 7 and the value of y is 13. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 5. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively is. That means, see, we are going to divide two numbers by one number. Okay. So which we have to find? Either LCM or HCF. Which we have to find?
HCF.
HCF. Very good. लेकिन यहाँ पे कितना दिया हुआ? रिमाइंडर 5 आना चाहिए. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 5 फ्रॉम 70, ओके, एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 125 and 8. So after subtracting we are getting 70 minus 5, 65, and 125 minus 8 we are getting 117. Now we are going to find HCF of these two. 65 prime factors, 5 into 13, 117, 9 into 13 होता है, तो 3 into 3 into 13. So only one common factor is there, that is 13. So HCF is equals to 13. And 13 is the largest number which divides 70 and 25, leaving remainder 5 and 8 respectively. So which is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A, right. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Okay, if two positive integers a and b are written as a is equals to x cube y square and b x y cube, x y are prime numbers, then what is the HCF of a and b? Right. So we know that HCF is equals to product of smallest power of the each common factors, okay, involved in the these two numbers. So दोनों है, x और y दोनों है. x का smallest power क्या है?
1.
1. And the smallest power of y?
2.
2. So HCF is equals to x y square. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 7. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p is equals to ab square and q is equals to a cube b. A and b are both prime numbers, then LCM of p and q. Now LCM we know that it is the product of greatest power of each prime factors involved in the prime factorization of both the numbers. So यहाँ पे a और b है. And what is the highest power of a?
3.
3. And what is the highest power of b?
2.
2. Right. So a cube b square. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 8. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive, is, means one number divisible by many number. So what we have to find?
LCM.
Yes, we have to find LCM of the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, so factors of 1 to 10 numbers we have to find. So now 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. So unka factor wahi hoga number. Okay, we can't take 1 here because we have to take only prime numbers. Right, now 4, we can write 2 into 2, that is 2 square, and 6, 2 into 3, and 8, 2 cube, 9, 3 square, and the last is 10, 2 into 5. Now the LCM of numbers from 1 to 10 is equals to LCM of 1 to 10. So product of all these numbers. ठीक है? So 2 का highest power क्या है? What is the highest power of 2?
3.
3, right? And the highest power of 3?
2.
2. That is 2 times. And 5 only 1 time. 7 is also 1 time. Okay? So the LCM is equals to 1 नहीं आएगा. 2 3 times, 2 3 2 times, and 5 and 7 1 time. If you multiply, you will get 2520. So this is the required answer. Now which bit is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So any doubts in this question?
No, sir.
Right. Now we are moving toward question number 9. The decimal expansion of the rational number will terminate after how many decimal place that we have to find. So what we have to do, we have to write the, we will try to write the decimal, denominator in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m. Both, दोनों का power same करेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? So we know that in terminating rational number, the denominator always have the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So यहाँ पे denominator है 1250. So उसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 125 into 10. 125 is 5 cube and 10 is 5 into 2. So 2 into 5 to the power 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. अब यहाँ पे मुझे दोनों का पावर सेम करना है. So 2 का कितना पावर चाहिए यहाँ पे? How many power is required? 3. So that we will multiply, divide. So that we will get 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4. And this is nothing but this is 10 to the power 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we will multiply these two and we will divide by 10 to the power 4. So 1 के बाद 4 0 लगा दो, that is 10,000. Now 10,000 means 4 zeros. यहाँ से count करो 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get 11.6696. So after how many places it terminates?
4.
4 places. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. If the product of two numbers is 1050 and their HCF is 25, find their LCM. So HCF of two number is given, that is 25, and the product of two number is given 1050. And we know that the formula HCF into LCM is equals to product of two numbers. Okay. So now we'll substitute here. Product of two numbers is 1050 and this is 25, and LCM we have to find. So LCM is equals to 1050 divided by 25. So 25 से ये divide हो रहा है. 25 40 1000 होता है, and यहाँ पे 50 भी है, that is 2. So 42. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. So now we are moving toward question number 11. Find the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly length 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter and 12 meter 95 centimeter. Greatest word, देखो यहाँ पे मैंने कहा था कि word problem में पहले तो चेक करो divisible, divide ये सब word है कि नहीं. Then you have to go for that tip number 1. If that is not there, you have to search for any word, greatest. So what you have to find? Greatest, longest, largest, ये सबके लिए HCF find करना है. Smallest, least, minimum, सबके लिए LCM find करना है, right? So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबका unit same करेंगे. We will write all in centimeter. So this will be 700, 385, 1295 centimeter. Any doubt in this step, first step?
No, sir.
Okay. So now required length, now I told that it is equals to HCF of these three numbers. So now we are going to find HCF. Okay, so उसके लिए प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं 700. 700 का प्राइम फैक्टर होता है 4 into 25, 100 होता है. So 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2 into 7. Okay, तो ये स्क्वायर है. राइट. नेक्स्ट 385. 385 11 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. 35 into 11. So 5 into 7 into 11. 1295 भी 35 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. 35 into 3 7. Okay, 5 into 7 into 37. So the common factors are 5 7 5 7 5 7. That is 5 into 7.
35.
35. So the greatest possible length is 35 centimeter. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 12. Find the maximum number of students among whom 1001 pens and 910 pencils can be distributed in such a way that each student gets the same number of pens and the same number of pencils. So here also one maximum word we can observe. So what we have to find?
HCF.
Very good. We have to find HCF. So total number of pens is given 1001, pencils 910, and the maximum number of students we can distribute this is equals to HCF of these two numbers. So 1001 we can write 11 into 91. Okay, and 910 we can write 10 into 91. थोड़ा मैं शॉर्टकट यूज कर रहा हूँ. Okay, आई एम नॉट टेकिंग प्राइम फैक्टर्स. अदरवाइज हियर आई हैव टू राइट 3 into 17. Sorry, 7 into 13. ठीक है, 7 into, क्योंकि ये MCQ है. MCQ में जितना शॉर्ट करना है कर सकते हो. And again here I have to write 2 into 5. So what is the common factor here?
7 and 7.
7 into 13. Okay, that is 91. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. है ही नहीं है इसमें, तो option D. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 13. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each of the cases. So 3 numbers are divisible by 1 number. That means we have to find HCF. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है कि सभी में सेम रिमाइंडर होना चाहिए. सो इसमें मैं इस क्वेश्चन को 2 मेथड से बताऊंगा. सेकेंड मेथड इज वेरी इजी. सो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन दोनों नंबर्स के बीच का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे. वी विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस. राइट, 43 92, 43 183 and 43 91 183. Okay, so we need to find the greatest number that would divide these 3 numbers, leaving the same remainder every time. So we first find the difference of numbers and then find the HCF of the whatever we got the numbers. So first 183 minus 91, that is equals to 92. Second 183 minus 43, 140, and 91 minus 43, 48. So now we are going to find the factors of this. 96 हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 23 into 4, 92. So 2 into 2 into 23. And 140 we can write 10 into 14 है ना. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. And 48 we can write 8 into 6. 6 for 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now the common factors are
2 into 2.
सिर्फ 2 ही है यहाँ पे. Okay, so that means HCF is 4. Okay, ये क्लास 6 का मेथड है. ये हम लोग क्लास 6 में पावर्स नहीं देखे थे, ओनली कॉमन फैक्टर्स लिखे थे. राइट, सो विच ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन?
Option A.
Option A, right. Okay, so I'm going to do this by elimination method. Okay, so ध्यान से देखो. First I'm going to take from 13. So 13 देखो, अगर 43 को 13 से डिवाइड करोगे तो 13 into 3 39. That means you will get 4 remainder. And if you divide 91 by 13, so 13 into 7, 91 hota hai. So you'll get remainder 0. That means you can cancel 13, eliminate 13. Okay? Right. Now let us move towards 9. 43 divided by 9. If you divide it by 9, you will get 36 plus 7, 7 remainder. Okay? And if you divide 91 by 9, you will get 1 remainder. So that means this is also not possible. We can eliminate. Right? Now let us move toward the 7th one. 43 divided by 7, you will get 1 remainder. 7 into 6, 42 hota hai. And if you divide 91 by 7, you will get again remainder 0. Okay? So that means you can eliminate 7 also. So only 1 is left. What is?
4.
That is 4. Okay, that is the correct answer. This method is easy. So see, this is not the correct method for descriptive answers, but for MCQ you can use elimination method also. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 14. On a morning walk, 3 persons step off together and their steps measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover the same distance in complete steps? So minimum word is coming. So what do you have to find?
LCM.
LCM. Right. अगर जब ये word वगैरह नहीं रहेगा, then you have to follow the tip number 3. Okay, जो क्लास में बताया था मैंने. Right. So now we have to find the LCM. That we come to know that. Right. And factors of 40 we can write 8 into 5. That means 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 42 we can write 6 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. And 45 9 into 5, that means 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 repeated maximum 3 times and 3 repeated maximum 2 times, 5 and 7 repeated only 1 times. So LCM is equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So we will multiply these two. Okay, 10 हो जाएगा. 10 into 6 60. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक 60 आ गया. Into 6 360. Into 7 360 into 7 252. 36 into 7 252 होता है. So 2520. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. Now we are moving toward question number 15. Find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 15, 24 and 36. So one number is divisible by many numbers. So what you have to find?
LCM.
LCM, right. So 15 we can write 3 into 5. 24 we can write 8 into 3, that is 2 to the power 3 into 3. And 36 we can write 4 into 9, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. So LCM, we know that it is the greatest power, product of greatest power of all the prime factors involved in the prime factorization of these 3 numbers. So 2 का highest power है 3, 3 का highest power 2 है और 5 का 1 ही है. So we will multiply all this. 8 into 4. 8 into 5 is 40 into 9, 360. Right? Now what we will do, we will divide the greatest 4-digit number by 360 and whatever the remainder we are getting, we have to subtract. So what is the greatest 4-digit number?
9,999.
Right, 9,999. So when we will divide 360, 9,999 by 360, we will get remainder 279. Now we have to subtract it from 9,999. So we are getting 9,720, which is exactly divisible by 360. Okay. So this is the required answer. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 16. Find the least number which when divided by 35, 56 and 91 leaves the same remainder 7 in each case. So again, one number is divided by we are going to divide by three numbers. So what we have to find?
LCM.
LCM. Very good. So we have to find LCM. So before that, we are going to find the prime factorization of 35, 56 and 91. 35 को 5 into 7 लिख सकते हैं. 56 is 8 into 7. So 2 to the power 3 into 7. And 91 is 7 into 13, right? So now LCM. LCM is the product of all the greatest power of the prime factors involved in this prime factorization. So 2 का highest power 3 है, 5 और 7 का 1 है और 13 है. So that means see 5 into 8 is 40 and this 2 is 91. 91 into 40. 91 into 4 is 364. So 3640. Now least number which can be divided by 35, 56, 91 is 3640. So 3640 को जब ये तीनों नंबर से डिवाइड करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. बट वी रिक्वायर्ड रिमाइंडर 7. तो वो तभी आएगा जब इसमें हम लोग 7 ऐड करेंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द फाइनल आंसर?
3647.
Yes, very good. 3647. So which is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 17. Find the largest number which divides 438 and 606, leaving remainder 6 in each case. Okay. So this two number is divisible by one number. So what we have to find? HCF or LCM?
HCF.
HCF. Right? When one number is divisible by many number, LCM. When many number is divisible by one number, HCF. और HCF में हम लोग को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है जो रिमाइंडर दिया हुआ है. LCM में ऐड करना है. ये चीज ध्यान में रखोगे. So here we have to find HCF. So 438 minus 6, you will get 432, and 606 minus 6 you will get 600. So we are going to find the HCF of these two numbers, ये और ये. ठीक है? So 432 का prime factors. 432 the prime factorization for 432 is 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. 600 का 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5 to the power 2. Now we know that HCF is the product of all the smallest power of all the common factors. So यहाँ पे common factors सिर्फ दो ही है, 2 and 3, and the lowest power of 2 is 3. And what is the lowest power of 3?
1.
1. So 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 8 into 3, 24. So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 18. The LCM of two numbers is 9 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 500. Find their HCF. So let the HCF of two numbers be X. So what will be LCM? 9 times.
9x.
9x. Very good. And the sum of LCM and HCF is also given according to the question. It is 500. So we will substitute LCM 9x and x here. That is 10x is equals to 500. So what is the value of x?
50.
50. So correct option?
Option C.
Option C. Right. Very good. Now we are moving toward question number 19. The decimal representation of 71 upon 150 is. तो हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले इसका डिनोमिनेटर का फैक्टराइजेशन करना पड़ेगा. First of all, we have to check whether this is in simplest form. 71 और 150 में कोई भी common factor नहीं है. So that means we can go for the factorization of the denominator. 150, 15 into 10. Okay. So इसको 15 into 10 मतलब 3 into 5 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 square. This is clear? Now this is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. So which is the correct option? Correct answer? The decimal
Option B.
expansion is
Non-terminating repeating.
repeating decimal, right? So the correct option is B, right? यहाँ पे एक mistake हो गया, C, right? So now we are moving toward the next question, question number 20. Total 30 questions हैं. Which of the following has terminating decimal expansion? So सबसे पहले हम लोग चेक करेंगे कि सारे सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है कि नहीं. 32 और 91 में कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है, और 19 और 18 में भी कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है क्योंकि 19 प्राइम नंबर है. 23 और 45 में भी कोई भी कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है क्योंकि 23 prime number है, and 25 and 42 also we don't have any common factor. So all are in simplest form. So we will check only denominator. So let us find the prime factorization of 91 first. 91 का है 7 into 13 and 80 is 16 into 5. So 2 to the power 4 into 5. 45 is 9 into 5. So 3 to the power 2 into 5. And 42 is 6 into 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. So out of all these denominators, which denominator is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power m?
19 by 80.
Right. And 19 by 80 is also in simplest form. So therefore, the denominator of 19 upon 80 is in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are non-negative integer. Therefore, 19 by 80 has terminating decimal expansion. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving towards question number 21. So very small question. Root 2 is dash, a rational number, an irrational number, a terminating decimal, or non-terminating repeating decimal.
Option B.
Option B, right, very good. An irrational number. 22. 1 upon root 2 is a fraction, a rational number, an irrational number, and none of this.
Irrational.
Irrational number.
Yes. Actually, the product of rational and irrational is always irrational. The if you divide rational number by irrational number or irrational number by rational number, then also you will get always irrational number. If you add rational number and irrational number, then also you will get always irrational number. If you subtract rational number and irrational number, then also you will get always irrational number. Okay, now the 23rd question. What is the correct option? It is an integer or rational number or irrational number or none of this.
Irrational number.
Irrational number.
Right. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 24. ये भी छोटा question है. 2.13, 113, 1113, 11113 and so on. It is an integer, a rational number or irrational number or none of this.
Irrational number.
Irrational number.
Yes, very good.
Irrational number.
It is an irrational number. Why? Because it is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Okay. So now 25th question. 3.24636363 so on. So it is an integer, a rational number, and irrational number, and none of this.
Rational number.
Rational number.
Very good, rational number. Because it is a non-terminating repeating decimal. Okay. So now we are moving toward question number 26. What is the largest number that divides 245 and 1029, leaving remainder 5 in each case? I told you that when one number is divisible by many number, LCM, and many number divisible by one number, HCF. So यहाँ पे 2 number it is divisible by one number. So what you have to find?
HCF.
HCF, right. And I told you in HCF you have to subtract. Okay, so 245 minus 5, that is 240, and 1029 minus 5, that is 1024. Whether this step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we know we have to find HCF also. Now we are going to find prime factorization, that is 240. 240 का prime factorization है 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And 1024 2 to the power 10 होता है. So 2 को 10 बार लिखते हैं. HCF में common factor ये 6th class का method है. क्योंकि कुछ बच्चों को ये method ज़्यादा easy लग रहा है. So यहाँ पे common factor को हम लोग select कर लिए. And the common factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the correct answer?
16.
16. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. So now we are moving toward question number 27. HCF of 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5, 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 to the power 3 into 7 is. So HCF क्या होता है? The product of all the product of smallest power of all the common prime factors in the given numbers. Okay, so यहाँ पे 2 common factor है, लेकिन 2 का smallest power क्या है?
2.
2. And what is the smallest power of 3?
1.
1 here, right. And what is the smallest power of 5?
1.
1.
That is also 1 here. Okay, so the HCF of these 3 numbers is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1, right? So what is the final answer? 15 into 4,
60.
60, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option
C.
C.
Option C, right. So now we are moving toward question number 28. Total 30 questions हैं और 2 questions हैं. The product of 2 numbers is 1600 and their HCF is 5. The LCM of the numbers is, so what is given, that the product of 2 number is given, that is 1600 and HCF is equals to 5. And we know that HCF into LCM is equals to product of 2 numbers. So we will substitute HCF here, that is 5, and this is 1600. And LCM is equals to 1600 divided by 5. What is the final answer?
320.
320. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
C.
Option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 29. The HCF of 2 numbers is 27 and their LCM is 162. If one of the numbers is 54, what is the other number? So let the 2 numbers be x and y, and one number x is given 54, HCF is 27 and LCM is 162. And we know that the product of 2 numbers is equal to HCF into LCM, right? This is product of 2 numbers. So product of 2 numbers means x into y is equals to HCF into LCM. So we'll substitute here 54, 27 and 162. ठीक है? So 27 into 162 को 54 से divide करेंगे y के लिए. So what we are getting? What is the final answer?
Y equal to 81.
Yes, y is equals to 81. So otherwise what you can do, you can multiply first 4374 and you can divide it by 54, then also you will get 81. So which option is the correct one?
Option D is correct.
Option D, right, very good. So now we are moving toward the last question. It's LCM of 2 to the power 3 into 3 into 5 and 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 7. And we know that LCM is the greatest power of all the prime factors involved in the prime factorization, right? So what is the highest power of 2? 4. What is the highest power of 3?
1.
1. Highest power of 5?
1.
1.
Highest power of 7?
1.
So we will multiply all this, okay? So 16 into 3 into 5 into 7. 16 into 5 80 होता है and 3 into 7 21. 21 into 8 168. So what is the final answer?
1120.
1680. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. So this is the last question of today's session. In the next session, we will do MCQ questions based on polynomials. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.